I'm Dave Johnson. I'm with James Hardie. I'm a local rep in Austin, Texas. And this is Justin Pratt with BFS. We're going to talk to you guys today about some of their digital tools and some of our Artisan line here, siding. So looking forward to it. Justin, how you doing?
Good, Dave. Justin Pratt. Thanks for having me here.
Yeah,
I'm with BFS Digital Tools, and what we're really kind of talking about and highlighting today is just kind of a new platform that we've done, MyBLDR, which is a customer engaged platform. And what you kind of want to talk today with me about, and what Matt was interested in, is that we can visualize and show a house built before it's built, right?
Right.
So we know our customers are not visual, so we brought a tool to market to help them with that.
Right on.
And so as we sat down with Matt and went through this journey, I know one thing that came up is, hey, I definitely want James Hardie on there. And one really good thing about our technology is we can use industry accepted, industry widely adopted materials such as you guys is to put in our platform to show it. So we do an interior and exterior under $1,000 for that. So it's, again, affordable technology to really engage the customer. But, I was on the job site, and as we were kind of going through this, I was talking with Matt, and I go, this just doesn't look like what I'm used to seeing out of Hardie. So
right.
Why don't you tell me what this is? What are you bringing to market, Dave?
Yeah, so we've got the Artisan line, same products at the base. So durable, low maintenance, a lot of design, but this is kind of our designer line. And so what we did on Matt's house was the Artisan lap siding. Really nice product, and then it's got really deep shadow lines. You can see that the product is a 5/8, so it's much thicker than our typical.
Yeah.
So we can do a mitered corner on that guy, so we can eliminate some trim and get a really nice clean aesthetic on corners. Butting into windows, doors, that sort of thing. But yeah, really the deep shadow lines. But again, the same product, same durable, low maintenance product that you know and trust from Hardie. So,
and the fact that we can overlap it, right? Do that miter corner. I mean, that's revolutionary in a siding like this. Something that I have not seen.
Yeah. So we've got some traditional products we went back with. We also have some newer products that have been on the market a couple of years. I guess for us that's newer, where we've been able to mill the product. Right, so we get just like we would have wood back in the day, right?
Yeah.
So this is still, again, James Hardie, base, and then we mill the product. So we've got 3 different profiles we can show you over here.
Okay.
That are in this, and one of the game changers with this is we can actually run this vertical.
Oh.
So you get some, again, more design options. And mitered corners on this as well.
So as builders face monotony and duplicity rules, you're really bringing a product to market that will help builders change that facade, get rid of that hard line wall.
Yeah.
Love what you guys are doing here.
You bet.
Yeah.
And the thing with this too is that we've got a lot of builders that love our 5/16 product, very affordable. So why not take some of this and do a highlight, right? So sometimes they'll do our shake in a gable, and so what I've been seeing are some people doing the vertical Artisan series, vertical and just those highlights. So it really kind of makes the house pop. One of Matt's houses that they visited yesterday, where we did the Color Plus product on it, the entry of that was this product, and that was when it first launched.
Okay.
So really, really nice. He did vertical, he did the ceiling, so we got the soffits on that as well. And so we'll go look at that product in a second. But yeah, that's what we got.
Multiple designs options, but we have the durability, right?
You bet.
That's why we love this product, is the durability.
You bet.
And to kind of tie it back to what we're doing, what I love is that we have this inspiration, and we have Matt's house here, and what we're able to do is we're able to load in this new siding. So we have this built in our platform, whether it's primed or the Color Plus, and we can build that in. And what we typically see with homeowners is the builders are telling us that they're coming to the design center after playing with it on their website, already spec'd out.
Right.
And what I love is the builders that do use your product, they can actually turn off product and then just show Hardie. And so we give the builders a lot of flexibility just to make sure that the relationships that we have are protected inside of this platform.
Right, and they would also be all, because this drawing right here, this rendering, is showing the color that Matt chose.
That is correct.
Right, so the homeowner can go in and look at different colors in the Color Plus line, for instance, and yes, they can really drill down on that. That's nice.
It's kind of real easy, and just you'll see here that we were able to put the product in here, and then of course all the color, whether it's Color Plus or another industry known like Sherwin-Williams, we're able to load all that in, and our team's adaptable. This gets in quickly, so as you guys adapt, we can adapt with you for that partnership.
Right.
So we're excited about where we're headed with this.
Yeah, it's great. I love this. And this also, I was talking to Matt a little bit about this. can take you to ready frame, or are you kind of?
So this is on the backbone of Revit, right? So everything we do is Revit based. We're really moving towards that digital twin that's a single source of truth, and that is the one great thing about it, is you're interacting with the Revit model here. So as our customers going here and making changes, it's actually working on the back end to update BFS SKUs that are then kicking it out to our stores just to make sure. Typically in Design Center, you get a lot of handwritten color sheets, and they're scratched out 20 times, and the builder doesn't know, what am I putting on now coming out of Design Center? This is all digitally done, digitally color sheets produced, and we're able to show that out of this technology and experience. So that is one great thing, is that we've tied the back end digitally to a single source of truth. And then of course, going out of this, if it is a ready frame, we've structurally solved it. One thing really important to BFS, don't visualize it if you can't build it.
Right.
And that's something I know builders had a problem with in the past with renderings, is things get kind of visualized and it's like, oh, we can't do that. I felt it and faced it in my career. We've been very cognizant about that in this experience, and so we want to represent our product, your product, to truly what's going to hit the truck, hit the job site. That's what we're doing in this experience.
Right.
So, and again, it's living in one single source of truth in mybldr.com. So that's the great thing about it.
Right, I love it.
Yeah.
You want to go take a
look
at
so show me what we got going on back here.
And you got the milled products.
Okay.
Right, and so they would stack on top of each other. I'll set this one aside, excuse me. So they'll stack on top of each other, and again, this is the nickel gap, penny gap, and that will run vertical. You can do that vertical, and mitered corners. You've got the V groove, which is more of a traditional kind of historic product, and then you've got that's our lap. But here's our the nickel gap I just showed you, and then we also have a square channel.
Whether we're traditional or we go craftsman, right, or we're going modern, you guys are really bringing a product to market that looks at several architectural styles and begins to blend that on with a durable product such as yours. And that's what I love about what you're doing.
Yeah, and again, these two or three profiles in that Artisan line are more historical, so you can really get some good design out of that.
Yeah.
And modern with it going vertical. I'm seeing a lot of the square channel run vertical, so you get kind of a reverse board and batten, which is a really popular
very
product
popular.
run out.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So you're listening to the market, you guys react, and kudos to Hardie for doing that.
Right.
We love your product. I know builders love your product, and so we're proud to have it inside of our platform. We're proud to partner with you guys, and we do appreciate what we're doing with you.
Yeah, you bet. Same here. Great partnership.
Dave, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Good
luck to you.
All right.
Bye.
You too.